Okay, this is example 4A, what affects R. And what you have is your x's here. I already did a screenshot to show you the data here. This is your x's. Whoops. This is your x's, but this is in millimeters. This is your y's, and that we don't have any units on it right now. We're just measuring something. And this is a different set of x's. But that's, well, it's the same x's, but we converted them to centimeters. So all I did was take L1 and I divided by 10. Okay, so that's what's going on there. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did first was I did this one, the first x, L1, in millimeters, and y. And I wanted to show you the R. So I'm going to show you the picture first. Just give me a second to pull it up. And that's the first picture here. I'm going to just make it shrink a bit so we can see it. Okay, and what you see here is here's your x's in millimeters, and there's y in some other units. Okay, we got this kind of relationship there. Okay, that looks good. And when we look at the correlation, I'll show you that screen, the linear regression screen. It will actually show you the correlation. Remember, you got to turn the diagnostics on through the catalog. The catalog is second, and if I just pull it up here on my calculator, second and 0. Don't forget to do second and then 0, and then all the way down to diagnostics. On, and then enter, and you'll get when you run the linear regression, it gives you the R squared and R. So I'll show you that screen right now. Okay, I'm just going to shrink it to fit in here. And there it is right there. It is right there. Let me erase some stuff here. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, and you can get the R value right here. 0.9181, let's just say 0.92. It's pretty strong. It's a strong positive linear relationship. Now, I'm going to do another picture. So that one I'll pull up here. It looks identical to the one above it, right here. Okay, but when you look at it, I'll do a different color. Let's say purple. Okay, you notice I don't have as many tick marks here. This is my x's in centimeters, and here's my y's in the same count. So all I did was divide by 10. So this is the divide by 10 screen. Okay, that's all I did to convert it. If I look at the R values, so the picture looks identical except for the scaling on the bottom here. The scaling is different. You can see the number of tick marks is different than up there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is show you after I did the linear regression. Remember, my diagnostics are on. Had to find a good spot for it. I've had to put it down over here, and you'll notice there's my R value, identical, so it didn't matter the units. The other thing is to notice is the equation's a little different. So you know they're different. I ran two different things. They're a factor of 10 differently. That's about it. So that was just reinforcing it, and I'll put it back on the slide. If you go back to the slide, you'll see what's reinforced.